Okay, all right. So, Nal, thanks a lot for that. Well, the first tick is in. The Nifty opens up, gap up. We're getting used to this now. Nifty up close to around 60 points, half a century straight off the bat. Let's focus on a few winners. Wipro is up close to 100%. That's one of the winners. Mahindra & Mahindra is up close to 100%. And Ultratech posted good quarterly update. The street likes it. When you grow 20% on that sort of a base, it's telling you that they've gained market share as well. So that stock has opened up in the green. Hero MotoCorp on the flip side, well, those numbers were a little bit disappointing, and that's down close to around 1.5%. For Maruti Suzuki as well, down close to around 0.5% odd. But the breadth of the market is looking very, very good. Close to around 2,000 stocks are advancing in comparison to close to around 200 stocks, 250 stocks as well that are declining. The big movers, though, from the broader markets, which Reema will take forward. Gujarat gas flying away. The additional duty on propane being pulled into the country, well, that could give them a competitive advantage. So that's up close to around 4.5%. And Strides is flying away. Strides is up close to around 6% as we speak. But Reema, run us through the list.
Well, L&T Finance Holding is also a big mover with a change of guard there. The stock is open with a gain of 3.5%. Ashok Leyland has reported their monthly sales numbers. CV volumes have gone up by 5% on a year-on-year basis. The domestic CV volume growth is at 10%, and that's something the street likes. And the stock has been given a thumbs up, opens with a gain of 2.5% on that. In other auto sales numbers, Tata Motors has opened up with a positive bias, but no big gain, just up close to about 0.1%. On the losing side, you've got Maruti with a cut of 1%. Again, the street is disappointed by the June sales numbers, and Bajaj Auto sales are also out. Total two-wheeler sales are down 2%, and the stock is open with a cut of 0.5%. That's about the auto sales numbers. Some other gainers and movers include NCC. They won orders worth 2,000 crore in the month of June. There is some news on granules, which has pushed the stock higher by close to about 2%. On the losing side, softness seen in AMC companies. Remember, they had a double-digit rally on Friday. So today, profit booking seen in Nippon, HDFC, AMC, UTI, AMC, down 1 to 2% on all these names. Apollo Tyres, where Morgan Stanley has downgraded the stock to an equal weight. The stock opens with a cut of close to about 0.5%. So all in all, it's a pretty good opening. The mid-caps are moving in step with the frontliners, and look at the advanced decline ratio. I know it's only 2 minutes, but looking good.
Oh, it's looked good for a while, Reema, absolutely. And 0.5% again once more as we start another week of trade. Let's just have the Nifty up. So 80 points, I mean, galloping ahead. And, you know, what typically happens once you make new all-time highs also is the fact that, you know, you've got to be willing. I mean, if you are trading, you've got to be able to you've got to be willing to buy breaks higher as well, not just buy the dips, which basically has been the strategy all through, you know, the last 300-400 points when the market was in the range. But, you know, things pick up, pace picks up, momentum picks up a little bit. And you got to be willing to buy gap ups, etc., which is harder to do psychologically, mentally, but it's a bit of a change as compared to what we've seen earlier. So, you know, I think the Nifty Bank will come up on your screen where we hit 44,995 on the Nifty Bank. That's about 0.5% higher. And we were saying this earlier, maybe the Nifty Bank, which basically saw a bit of a later breakout as compared to the Nifty, has got more catching up to do, so keep an eye on that. We're, of course, with this kind of open once again at a fresh all-time high. Manish Gunwani